Gĩikaro gĩkĩ na kĩrĩa gĩtongoretio nĩ mũnene wa borithi gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ gĩkuruhanĩtie kamĩtĩ ya mbunge ya kĩbũrũri yegemainie na ũgitĩri na muoroto mũnene arĩ wa gũcirĩra ciegemainie na mogarũrũku rũhonge-inĩ rwa borithi. Kanja augĩte kamĩtĩ ĩno ĩrĩ na itemi inene harĩ gũtigĩrĩra rũhonge rwa borithi nĩ rwagacĩra.
This committee plays a critical role when it comes to matters legislative and even the funding programs of the National Police Service. That's the reason why, as the National Police Service, we find it very critically important that we also take the committee through as a major stakeholder, as the representatives of the people, so that we can be able to understand very, very, very clearly where we are on matters reforms and the journey that we have actually been able to travel over the transformation agenda.
Gabriel Tongoyo mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kamĩtĩ ĩno mbunge-inĩ ya kĩbũrũri agĩteterithia bata wa gũthukĩra rũhonge rwa borithi mbeca nĩguo kũgacĩrithia mũrutĩre wao wa wĩra.
And we had a very robust, very good engagement with them this morning, addressing issues, even to include some gaps in the legislation, so that we can be able to help them in the journey of transforming this service to a responsive service in terms of addressing some gaps in law to advance their cause. And of course that is also to include the issue of considering continuous financial support and resource to modernize them so that they can able to perform their duties well.
Augĩte nĩ mekũrũnga icunjĩ cia watho iria cikoretwo cikĩrehe ndũgamano gatagatĩ-inĩ ka rũhonge rwa borithi na komishoni ya ũtungata wa borithi.
Not the first time we are trying to address this. Even previously we had the same issue, and even as Parliament we had already, as a committee, we had written to the IG to give us the interpretation of the same. It's an issue, of course, before the court. I don't want to delve much into it. But on personal, where I stand, we think is possibly if we any other time will over itself that we may have a constitutional review. It is some of the articles that we may really need to address to bring clarity.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge gĩa Kajiado ya rũgongo ngetwo Wacuka wa Kĩarie.